yeah, I've just been seeing a lot of people put the durag on wrong. I've been doing it in weird ways. I'm gonna show you the best way to put your durag on. From today, you lot are gonna know how to put on your durag properly, the proper way, the secure way, the way that's gonna get you the best waves possible. I don't want to be seeing none of that bad durag tying. Like, I don't care if Jay-Z does it, I don't care if anyone does it. You lot need to tie your durags properly. So boom, let's get into it. Yeah, gang.
Let me light this up, inhale, exhale. Big smoke for everyone, the sound of the drum. African man, no, you don't want none. I'm a real one, I just wanna have fun. They don't feel like a man without a gun.
Yo guys, it's your boy Bear and I'm back with another video today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to tie your durag for the best compression and for the best results. If you haven't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button. I don't want to hear nothing. I just smash the subscribe button. Like, if you're going to be watching the video, you might as well subscribe. You get it? You know what I mean? But yeah, man, subscribe, like, comment after you watch the video, share it. From now on, I'm going to be doing
You stupid.
From now on, I'm going to be doing quite a bit more wave content for you guys, just so you lot can see like how to take care of my waves and all of that, and how you get waves, all the different stuff related to waves. But I'll also still be doing the same entertainment that I've been doing before, and the same advice and all that kind of stuff there. So, like, I think a lot of people, especially in the UK, everywhere to be honest, just don't know that much about taking care of your waves and just getting them patterned. So I'm going to be doing that for you lot. So make sure to subscribe, turn that post notifications bell so you won't miss a video, and boom, let's get into it. But first, I'm gonna show you guys a drop that I got from a company called Durag Ltd. The link will be in the description, and basically they make some of the best durags, best silky durags out. You need to go pick up from downstairs. I think it landed like today or yesterday, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go get it now. There we go. I think I got just the lemon haze, nice color there that kind of shines. So I got it's like kind of goldy, and I got Poseidon as well. Yeah, you lot can see durag there, Poseidon. Yeah, those are the two ones that I copped. Let's do a quick brush session first, so you lot can see how I brush my waves as well. I'll make it quick, and then I'll show you how to snap on the durag as well. Today for the brush session, I'm going to be using a hard brush and a soft brush, and then a plastic bag to finish off basically my soft brush. So let's get to it. Let's see what the waves are saying. I'm not brushed since last night, so I don't know how. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. So we're going with the hard first. Always use a mirror as well for the back of your hair, so you can see like what's going on from the back. It's quite important, so you can get the good angles in. So that's the hard done. That's hard brush done. We'll get the medium. See that? Spinning, spinning, spinning. I gave this trim to myself as well, like a while back. I shagged it, like I didn't even do that well, but I think when your hair grows out, it just looks a bit better. Because when I first cut this, like, it was dead, like it was so dead. But it's just normal now. Don't know how. Then we basically just gotta get the plastic bag, IKEA settings, just go in. Because like once you have waves like properly, you don't actually need to spend that much time brushing, as long as you're maintaining the laid down pattern and it's staying silky. Like, you need to brush a little bit every day, but at the start you need to be putting in more effort and more work. Like right now, since I've kind of got like my waves patterned,
Hurry. Ooh. Ooh.
Like, I don't really need to be putting in too much work, but like, yeah, when you first start, you need to be brushing like ×5 of what I've just done now. Like, you need to be putting in the work like multiple times a day. When you're watching TV, you need to brush. When you're playing games in between matches, you need to brush. You need to just brush all the time until you see the waves popping. But yeah, so that looks about done. So let me get the durag and then we'll... The durag I'm gonna put on, is the yellow lemon haze. Wait, let me focus it. The yellow lemon haze durag from Durag Ltd. You lot can see that. So yeah, let's open it. This is my method, the best way to put your durag on. I'm gonna start from the very start, so you don't need to make sure you're listening.
Listen to me, listen to me.
So basically what you do is, so see how you have the two bits of the durag here? You got this bit, like this bit here. You don't want that side because that bit's gonna leave lines in your hair if you put it in the middle. So you wanna go onto this smooth side that doesn't have any of that. Wait, is it gonna focus? Yeah. So that doesn't have any of that. And that's the bit that you wanna go on your head first. So you put that bit on and you leave this top bit on. I know some people don't like the look of it, but it's the best for in terms of like best for your waves. And when you're just chilling at home, like you don't need, like there's no point in having that there. So you put it on here and then you turn it down enough, like a little bit over your forehead, just so you can loop it like that. So you can like fold it basically in. So you fold it, and once you folded it, you tighten it, you pull it. So see here, and then you want to just cross it over. So you just cross it over so that the opposite ends are each hand. And I'll do that, and then you basically get this strand. You kind of like make it as flat as possible because the flatter the better. So you want to make it completely flat and just wrap it around nicely. Just wrap it around. And then tuck it behind your ear. Hold it down with your neck. And then you do the same thing on the other side. See that? It's like tight, it's like flat down. And you just adjust it a little bit to kind of match where your forehead is and all that kind of stuff. And then once you have that, you have two little bits left here. So take those two little bits and then cross them over again, make like a knot, like a loose knot, and then do that same exact thing again to make a firm knot that's going to stay in there like that. See that? And then you just pull down your cape, pull down your cape, pull down your cape, and it should be secure, tied on durag. And then you just kind of like just fix it, just adjust it, like just depends on what you want. You see that? Now this color slaps. Oh, so some people like to just keep the cape out. This is the cape, by the way. But me, like when I'm at home or when I'm like out doing like workouts and stuff, I like to tuck it in. So what I do is I just like, see behind you, you just roll it. Don't do it too much though, like just a little bit, because it's gonna hurt your head if you do too much. So you just roll it a tiny bit like that, and then you just tuck it in. Just tuck it in. Tuck it into the back there. So you tuck it in. So once you've tucked it in, you can kind of see, like that's how you get like the look where you can't really see the cape, like it's just kind of the durag sticking out. And that's it from the back as well. If you look, can see that. Yeah, but that's basically how you do it. And if you want extra compression, you'd basically just get another durag and do the same thing and tuck it in as well from the behind. Some main points to take note is that you don't want this bit to go in your hair. You want to make sure this is flat, like all this is flat. I normally put them all the way over my forehead. I know some people like have it up here, but I think when you have it all the way over your forehead, it means that you get more coverage and more like force down, like so it's able to be securely on. And then make sure these bits are flat, like flat around. And then if you just tie, like I tie into a knot, but like a double knot. But however you want to tie it, you can tie it at the back. As long as you kind of make sure it's tied securely, you'll know, because if it's too tight, then you'll get like a bit of a sore head after a while. And if it's too loose, like you just feel it moving about like too much. So you want it to have like a proper kind of like sit on your head where it's not too tight and not too loose. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. You can kind of see how, you can see how good it looks as well. So that's my way of doing it. That's how I tie my durag. Alright, boom. So thank you for watching today's video. Anyways, yeah, the company that makes these durags, the link will be in the description. So I just had to pattern you real quick. I just had to pattern. I'll show you how to do it properly. None of that like rolled up around here, and that you have to put on properly, like a real waver, a real true waver. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll be back for another video soon. I hope you guys enjoyed. Boom.